I mean, I don't understand how it even works.
In response to that, I believe what we're looking at here, Senator, and pardon me for perhaps not being as intellectually nimble as you are, because I think you're a lot further down the road on something that seems quite prima facie to me. This would be a situation that is the express will of the people of the state of Arkansas via the voice of the legislature is, should a document fall in violation of one of these things, the appropriate defense to that being accepted in the state of Arkansas, in other words, they're already in a courtroom, would be by opposing counsel to say that this document is void on its face based on this, because it either fails a due process and equal protection, a religious freedom, a freedom of speech, a freedom of press, so forth and so on, as clearly enumerated in the following lines, still contiguous to the paragraph, as based on the colon. That's the way that I read it, Senator. And again, I hope I'm answering your question. I just may not be seeing as far down the road as you are. For me, it seems to be pretty prima facie within the bill.
Well, and I still don't get it, but we can move on. What this section of the bill, in page 3, line 2, it says you're invalidating a court ruling. So that seems to indicate somebody has to invalidate that court ruling besides the court. The court ruling or decision has already been made, but yet this law just declares it void and unenforceable. And so I don't see how you drive those two. But also, what about section 8 there where it says the right to marry as defined by the Arkansas Constitution of Amendment 83, or all these rules, I mean, the right to due process, the right to equal protection, freedom of religion, freedom of speech. Sometimes these are, the details of all these, including the right to marry, the right to privacy, are shifting within the law, correct?
Absolutely.
And so, how do you, I just don't understand how it works. I don't know if that's a question, but I particularly this section of the bill, not addressing all the other sections, but I don't see how we as a legislature validate the court ruling. Although the legislature does have an interest in taking over the court system, I don't think we can do that.
All right.
Thank you for that, Senator. I would just say, in regard to trying to answer the Senator's question, pardon me, his last statement struck me funny, and pardon me for breaking decorum. But if the Senator were to go back and read in its entirety and context, prior to line 2 of page 3, we're talking about the importation of foreign judgments. So I believe we're already in court, Senator, and that's what I keep going back to. We're already in court. So, thanks, sir.
How does